We look to the stars, we dream of new worlds, Mars calls to us, it's a chance to explore, to discover, but more than that, it's a chance to build a new home for humanity. Imagine stepping onto the red soil. The first Martian house stands before you, a beacon of human ingenuity. It represents our ability to adapt and overcome. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's becoming reality. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where humans live and thrive on another planet. Exciting, isn't it? Mars is unforgiving. The air is thin and unbreathable. Temperatures swing wildly. Radiation from the sun is a constant threat. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet. These aren't your average dust devils. They're massive, powerful, and destructive. Our Martian house needs to withstand it all. We need to think about every detail. How will we protect ourselves? How will we get resources? Every challenge is an opportunity. We can find innovative solutions. Our Martian house needs to be tough. We can use Martian soil, called regolith. 3D printing can create strong walls and structures. They'll protect us from the elements. We need air to breathe, of course. Plants can help us create oxygen. Water is scarce on Mars, but we can extract it from the soil and recycle every drop. Temperature control is vital. Insulation is key. We can use special materials that trap heat. Maybe even harness the power of the sun for energy. Our Martian house is more than just a shelter. It's our home away from home. It needs to support our mental and social well-being. Imagine large windows letting in natural light, open spaces where we can connect and socialize. We need to feel comfortable and at ease. We'll create a sense of community. We'll explore the Martian landscape. We'll conduct research and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Living on Mars will be an adventure. It will be challenging, rewarding, and awe-inspiring. It will be the start of a new chapter in human history.